Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my show. This is the second video of a new series I have begun with shorter videos with a link that will take you to the larger videos, like a more detailed video. This is like a synopsis telling you the truth, what has happened, and the detailed version of this video with the link is provided in the description section. You click on it, and I would recommend and encourage you strongly to go through it so that we stop getting deceived by this fake apostle Paul. He was the Antichrist, guys. He was the Antichrist. And this video is dedicated to that very reason, to highlight, underscore, point out that this man was the Antichrist Apostle John spoke of and even said he's there. You want to know which verse? John says in 1 John 4:3, every spirit that does not acknowledge Jesus is not from God. This is the spirit of the Antichrist, which you have heard is coming, and even now is already in the world. Antichrist, if John is the beloved apostle of Jesus, is speaking the truth, which of course he is, he was the beloved apostle. He says the Antichrist is here. So who was this guy? Have we missed him? No. We didn't miss him, at least now that ones like me, many others, I will take their names later, are fighting hard. I'll in fact put links to the channel. One is, who's recently getting very strong, is Christina. I'll put a link to her channel. There's Del Tondo. Mr. Douglas Del Tondo has been working hard since many years to expose the fake apostle. My friend from Arkansas, Sunshine McElrath, on her Facebook, she's got abundance of evidence. She's working hard. There are others, I can't remember names off the back, so with great respect to them, I'll be putting some links. Check the links out. There's Sister Flora from Florida, there's Sister Brenda Lee. A lot of ladies are there, a lot of gents are there, or exposing the fake apostle. Or my friend Marty Kozad, praise the Lord, I remember. He has put 300-400 videos diligently working hard to expose the fake apostle Jesus talks about in Revelation 2 verse 2. This was the Antichrist, guys. His name is Marty Kozad. I will put his links also, check them out. Now, I have recorded a very extensively researched, extensively over a protracted period of time, a long period of time, and gathered all that information, very biblically sound, because it's straight from the words of Jesus, John, Deuteronomy. They all predict 13, for example, Deuteronomy 13. It clearly mentions the coming of a fake apostle or a fake prophet in those days. And Jesus, of course, repeatedly warned, beware of the yeast of the Pharisees, their doctrine. Whose doctrine are we talking about? Like that, there is abundance of evidence. Because I cannot recount them in 1 minute and I cannot explain them in 7 or 8 minute video, I would highly recommend, guys, and encourage you to click the link and check it out. Spend some time. It has cost me a lot in life. I will not go into that. There's a lot of sweat, lot of blood, lot of tears. Because the powers of the darkness, the enemy just unleashes his fury on those who are trying to expose. The master stroke of devil was Paul. He was the 13th apostle who could never have been. 12 tribes, 12 apostles. Who's like 12 tribes of Israel? Who's this 13th man? Jesus never uttered the word Paul. Jesus never uttered the word grace in Bible, which Paul keeps teaching. Saved by grace through faith, saved by grace through faith and grace. Didn't Jesus never? Doesn't that confound you? Doesn't that shock you? Doesn't that befuddle you? What is going on? Didn't Jesus? No, he didn't. Neither did he use it on the day of judgment. Matthew 25:31, 46, and the second version is Revelation 20:11, 15. Please read it because there's no time for this. Use it as a homework. You will see he rejected saved by grace through faith, because grace was a word he never taught, neither will he use on the day of judgment. Either in the goats and sheep judgment day vision, blow by blow account he gives, nor in the other Revelation 20, 11, 15. It was all about works. It had to be. That's the fruit of your life. That's what he wants to see. What is the fruit of our life? My life, your life, everybody's life here. Anyway, coming back to this Antichrist. Why is this man the Antichrist? Spend some, now that I've given you something to chew on, something to mull on, check this. A 70-minute or 65-minute video, divide it like watching time. You can see 10, 15, 20 minutes a day, but it's very interesting and very biblically sound. Straight from the Bible, not a single, I am not a man who will ever say, I thought, I feel. I'm a very Bible-based guy, a Bible-based man, my friends. That's what I am. You tell me when you share something, tell me where is the verse, because I want to see and I want to examine, and I will richly and passionately encourage you, exhort you, check out every word I speak. Is it not in the Bible? Does it not belong to ones like Jesus or James or John, the legit ones, the reliable, the known ones? All right, don't go up crazy about unknown people like this. Paul, we don't know. Jesus would have mentioned him at least once before, at least in his earthly ministry, or after resurrection, or in the future times. In the book of Revelation, his name is not there, except that there was a fake bloody apostle in Revelation 2 verse 2, which Jesus reveals and congratulates the church of Ephesus for exposing the fake apostle, the false apostle. Who's this guy? I'll leave it to you guys. So please do click the link, watch it. Let me have your feedback. I appreciate your feedback, guys. Also share it. We have to. What is the purpose of all this? We want people to study the red letter or the words of Jesus Christ in Bible. He is not being taught, guys. It's Paul. Who's this Paul? That is the question. He's the Antichrist. After you see that video, you will have not an iota of doubt that it was this man who was the Antichrist. And the next one, watch this third or fourth in this, the damning confessions of the fake apostle Paul. I'll be recording a small video as a prelude to that. But this one is dedicated to why this guy, Paul, Antichrist. Alright. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please do check the link. And God bless you and your families. Bye for now.